afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Novel Tutorial Academy. And now in this class, we are going to be looking at maths, and we are going to be looking at a topic we call indices. But this question is in a complex form. They say if 2 raised to the power x plus y is equal to 16, and 4 raised to the power x minus y is equal to 1/32. Find the value of x and y, WAEC 2008, question 6a. So you are going to be solving this question. Now, if you are familiar with indices question, you should know that this question is a simultaneous linear equation in form of indices. So first of all, we are going to analyze each segment one after the other. Let's start with this one. We have 2 raised to the power x plus y is equals to 16. Now, we have the mindset that we have 2 here. Now, this 16 now, we should be asking ourselves which number can we use to break 16 down? And what is the number? The number is 2. So we have 2 raised to the power x plus y is equals to 16 can be broken down as 2 raised to the power 4. Because 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 2 is 4. Times 4 times 4 is now giving you 16. So 2 raised to the power 4 is our 16. Now, since we have 2 in the right hand side and 2 in the left hand side, so we can cancel out. Now we now have x plus y is equals to 4, and this is our equation 1. We go over to the next segment that says 4 raised to the power x minus y is equals to 1/32. Now, if you remember the law, or one of the laws of indices that says x raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 1/x. And it can also be stated as 1/x is equals to x raised to the power minus 1. So when you have something like this, it should be 4 raised to the power x minus y is equals to 32 raised to the power minus 1. And 32 can be broken down and 4 can be broken down. 4 can be broken down as 2 raised to the power 2 in bracket x minus y is equals to 2 raised to the power. 32 can be broken down as 2 raised to the power 5 in bracket minus 1. Now, since we have 2 here and 2 here, you can cancel out, and this becomes 2 in bracket x minus y is equals to 5 in bracket minus 1. Now, open the bracket, 2 times x is 2x, minus 2 times y is 2y is equals to 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Now, we now continue. Now, this now becomes your equation 2. Now, in solving simultaneous linear equation, we have 3 methods. We have the elimination method, we have the substitution method, and we have the graphical method. Now, the easiest one to use here is the elimination method. Now, we have to say solving simultaneously using elimination method. Now, we have that x plus y is equals to 4 and 2x minus 2y is equals to minus 5. Now, the word elimination, we know it means to remove or to kill. So, if you decide the type of the variable to eliminate, now you know we have 2 variables here. We have the x and the y. We will decide which one should I eliminate first. If I decide to use x, now what will I do now? I will now say what is the coefficient of x in equation 1. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1. You use it and multiply equation 2. And the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 2. You use it and multiply equation 1. You just invert them. So we now say 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times y is 2y is equals to 2 times 4 is 8. And then again, go to the next one. You have 1 times 2x is 2x minus 1 times 2y is 2y is equals to 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Now, you notice that the coefficient of x in equation 1 and equation 2 are now the same. So with this now, you can now put your minus. Minus will be the only sign that can remove this x. So when you say 2x minus 2x, you now be having 0. Now the minus will now affect the 2y here. So you have plus 2y minus 2y. And we have plus 2y minus times minus is plus 2y. So 2y plus 2y is 4y is equals to minus times minus here. You now have 8 minus 5. 8 minus minus is plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is now giving you 13. You can divide both sides by 4. So you have 4y over 4 is equals to 13 over 4. So when you divide, your y is equals to 13 over 4. Now, what is the next thing to do? You have gotten our y as 13 over 4. For us to now be able to get our x, we now say substitute the value of y in equation 1. Substitute y value in equation 1. You can substitute the value of y in either equation 1 or 2. Anywhere that you put it, you still get the same answer. So you have that x plus y is equals to 4. It entails that wherever you see y in equation 1, you put it as 13 over 4. So you have x plus 13 over 4 is equals to 4. Then collect like terms. Now, despite the fact that this number here is a fraction and this one is just a single number, they are still like terms. So you do this one, it will now cross the equality sign, changing from plus to what? Minus. So you have that x is equals to 4 minus 13 over 4 over 1. Now you now perform the normal arithmetic mathematics that you need to do. Now you now be having the LCM of 1 and 4 is what? 4. 1 divided 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 4 divided 4 is 1. 1 times 13 is 13. So x is now equals to 16 minus 13 is 3 over 4. Therefore, x and y in coordinate form. X and y in coordinate form, your x is 3 over 4 and your y is 13 over 4. And this is the answer to this question. Thank you very much.